Hey guys, Happy New Year. Welcome back for another brew day. Feels like it's been a while, I think it has. I'll flip the camera around and show you what I'm up to and what I'm brewing. So at the moment I'm just heating up my mash water, and the beer I've decided to do for the first brew of 2021 is another simple XPA. It's summer here, so I want something easy drinking, and I don't know if you guys remember a couple of months ago I did a Whirlpool XPA that I really enjoyed. So I'm going to be using the same malt bill, which is 80% Gladfield's light lager and 20% Gladfield's wheat. And instead of the Whirlpool, this time I'm going to be going with this hop here, which it's the first time I've seen it available locally. I saw a video about 6 or 7 months ago that Sarah from Daft Cat Brewing, she did a smash beer with this new UK hop variety, which gives characters of peach, passion fruit and pineapple. So I thought that sounded really interesting, so I thought I'd give that a whirl. And then the yeast I'm using they're in unmarked packets here, but this is S33, which helps to make the hops pop a bit more, and the final gravity stays a little bit elevated around the 1014, 1015 mark, which just stops the beer drying out too much, gives you a little touch of sweetness. So yeah, looking forward to that. Okay, yeah, so excited for the first brew of 2021. So I'll finish off heating up the mash water, and then I'll just do some small sort of clips as I go along with the brew day. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Cheers. Okay, so I seem to remember what to do. Been a while. So just starting the mash, 60-minute mash. I've got a nice flow going there. I've given the grains a good stir with the spoon, just to break up any clumps. So we will leave that going. So I'm brewing at 66 degrees, or mashing at 66, so we'll let that do its thing and then we'll come back. Cheers! So brew day has well and truly finished, so I thought I'd celebrate this stinking hot day here with a nice IPA. So this one's from Pellet. It's called, where are we? It's called Bitter Bitch, and it's one of their core range. Very nice IPA. Uses New Zealand hop variety, I think, or hop varieties for the flavour. Very tropical, and an English hop for bittering. But very nice. So brew day went very smoothly. I had a visit from Alan from Fab Beer Cater, aka Shadow Beast Brewery. So he called around during the brew day, so hence the sort of lack of video clips towards the end of the brew. So I think the last thing he saw was the mash was going, then I think I did a couple of clips of the boil, and I think I had the chiller in there. So anyway, the brew day went well. So the only hop addition I did was a whirlpool. So I used half of the Harlequin at the end of the boil. I did a 7-minute whirlpool, then cooled the work down to 80 degrees and let the hops stand there for another 13 minutes, so a total of 20 minutes, which is something I've done in previous brews. Here's the hydro sample. So I used some Whirfloc there, so I've got a real nice clear sample there. So it came out at 1048. There's a nice level of bitterness, sort of aiming around 30 IBU, so pretty happy with that, and hopefully in the high 4s for ABV. Also, I forgot to mention, Alan and Kelly came round yesterday for brew day. They bought me a Christmas present. So this is from the beer spot up at Whangaparoa, which is just north of where I am. Very cool t-shirt. As it's on the back, I found my tappy place. So yeah, if you're ever in Auckland, check out one of the beer spots. Very nice t-shirt to add to the collection. So I'll put the details of the recipe. It's for a half batch, but I'll just put the percentages and then you guys can scale it up if you're interested. If you've got any questions, let me know. And we'll just go and quickly check how the fermentation's going, so we'll be right back. Okay, let's go into the shed. So fermenting at 18 degrees. And last time I checked it was bubbling away. There we go. So yeah, happy days. So we'll let the fermentation do its thing, and yeah, we'll come back when it's all done. So nothing else to say really. Yeah, we'll do a follow-up tasting video in a couple of weeks. Thanks for watching. Sorry about the lack of brew day footage, and enjoy your new year, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks guys, over and out.